Hello everyone. So in today's Excel video, we're going to see some of the amazing shortcuts in Excel every users must watch. To create an Excel table, click anywhere inside the data set and press Ctrl plus T. Well, you could see a dialog box. My table has headers, so press OK and right there is your table. You could even change the colors of it in table style. On to the next one. So if you want to jump from one side of your data to bottom, use Ctrl plus down arrow. Now to move to the right, use Ctrl plus right arrow. Now if you want to jump back up, use Ctrl plus up arrow. This is way faster than using the scroll bar. Now let's say if you want to jump to the bottom, selecting the tables. So use Ctrl plus shift plus down. For the right side, use Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow. Well, this pretty much select the whole table. To highlight an entire row, use Shift plus space and use Ctrl plus space for highlighting an entire column. Well, now if I want to insert a new row or column, use Ctrl plus plus. Well, this brings up a new Insert dialog box. You can select an entire row or anything, but there is also another trick. So for this, use Ctrl plus space. This highlights the whole column and now you can use Ctrl plus plus. Well, there gets you a new column. So for new row, use Shift plus space and again use Ctrl plus plus. On to the next hack. So if I want to delete an entire column, highlight the column and use Ctrl plus minus. Well, moving on to the row, highlight that row and use Ctrl plus minus again. If you want to drag an entire row and drop it somewhere else, let's say I want to move Amir between Ram and Neha, what I'm going to do is highlight the entire row. Now if I want to drag it and let it go, it's going to try to replace this data. No, I don't want to replace it, I want to put it between. So what I'm going to do is drag it. While dragging, hold on to shift and then go insert it between two. On to the next hack. Now if I want to hide this column, what I'm going to do is highlight this column and use Ctrl plus 0. Now to hide the row, highlight the row and use Ctrl plus 9. Next hack is super easy and super helpful. So let's say I want to add today's date to this cell. So what I'm going to do is use Ctrl plus semicolon. You could get your date here. Well, I've got the date now, but what if I want time too? So for this, click on the cell and put Ctrl plus Shift plus colon. Now you could get the time also. Well, to the last but personally my favorite Excel hack. So I want to make a chart based on this provided data. So what I'm going to do is use Alt plus F1, which brings to your chart, and I can even change my colors and even change the chart type to a different one. You could see various ones in here, so I'm gonna go with pie. So that's it for the day. We'll meet you all in the next video. So please don't forget to like this video and share this to your friends. Also subscribe and follow us. Thank you and have a nice day.